Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do a resin beach scene. What I have here are two wood panels. I go ahead and put my gloves on and my respirator mask. I got my Artworks resin and I'm going to go ahead and mix up a batch. It is 1 part A and 1 part B. And then you mix it for approximately 5 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is take separate cups and I'm going to mix up some white, some light blue, some dark blue, and I have a separate cup with some beach sand in it that I'm going to add some resin to, and I'm going to mix them all up. So now I'm going to pour out the sand that's mixed with resin on the bottom of the boards and smooth it all around. Now I'm just going to take some clear resin and pour a strip over the sand on top of it. Then I'm going to take the darkest blue and pour that on the top and then spread it down a little bit. Then I actually went ahead and mixed up a medium blue, and I'm going to pour that underneath the dark blue and then mix those two together. Now I'm going to take my lightest blue and pour that underneath. Sometimes it works best when you just use your fingers to smooth it all around and blend it in. Then go ahead and grab your heat torch and just move it back and forth until you pop all of the bubbles. Now for the fun part. Go ahead and grab your white and just drizzle a line going across the top of the sand. Make it pretty thick. Then grab a heat gun with a nozzle attachment, and just on an angle, you just slowly blow that white line up into the colored water. Then go ahead and repeat that process until you achieve your desired look. And then once again, hit it with your heat torch. Let that dry overnight, and the next day I went ahead and repeated the same process with the blues and the clear and the white. I also went ahead and stuck some seashells along the bottom right into the resin, and they just stay put pretty nicely.
sun.
And this is how they look when they're done. The Artworks resin I used can be purchased online at thecraftattack.com. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and give it a try.